Thank you guys for clicking on another video. Today we got a new feature on boot mode came out, anti-lag, map switching, and then flex fuel came out for boot mode. MHD actually came out with this a few weeks ago, so boot mode obviously had to come out with it. But yeah, today we're just gonna do a little tutorial on how to do the launch control, the anti-lag, because yeah, it just came out and I'm kind of excited to see how it works and everything. I actually haven't done it yet, so this will be my first time. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw on the GoPro, do a couple pulls, and then yeah, I'll show you guys how to get it on your maps after I do the pulls, because you know, kind of excited, and I think you guys want to see the pulls first. So yeah, I'll put on the GoPro right now. But yeah, basically all you have to do is just hold this up, it'll build up boost, and then wide open throttle, and then let go of this and you should be off. We're gonna do a couple more pulls. I know I saw a cop down the road earlier, so hopefully he's not just posted here. But yeah, I'm gonna do a couple more pulls for you guys. There's a cop car over there. Do we do the pull? Fuck it. I'm gonna flip one, fuck it. God, that is pulling crazy, bro. That is insane, bro. That feels crazy. God damn. So boys, basically this is what you gotta do. Alright, basically here's what you're gonna do. So I got my maps right here, right? And then here's my custom tune and my stage 2 tune. Before these maps popped up, you're gonna click on your map and then see custom RON convert right there. You're gonna hit that button. It's gonna get converted. And then your map's gonna pop up right here. Here's my stage 2 custom RON. So it has the It has anti-lag, flex fuel, and then map switching. And then I did the same thing for my custom tune. So my custom tune does have anti-lag, map switching, and flex fuel. But I don't have a high pressure fuel pump, so the only thing I'm basically using is for the anti-lag. But yeah, basically you're gonna do that, flash your car, and then yeah, it should be ready to go. You're gonna hold the one more time. I'm gonna show you guys one more time. You're gonna I think you have to set the cruise control button. I'm not too sure, but that can be wrong. But basically, what you're gonna do, if you have to touch this, you touch it. But you can hold this up. Your boost is gonna build up to wherever it's set at, and then you're gonna wide open throttle. So pedal all the way down, and then you're gonna let go of this, and then you're gone. Pull feels it feels smooth. Like, it doesn't feel like jolty or anything. It literally feels smooth if you get it right. So, oh, can't show you guys that part over there. And I hope you guys liked the tutorial video. I don't want to make it too confusing for you guys. It's really not confusing at all. If you have an N55, and it only came out for the N55 and S55, I think. But yeah, if you have an N55, it shouldn't be too hard to set up. Just gotta get your tune, convert it, and then yeah, you should be good to go. But yeah, but updates for the car. I have my last part comes in today, guys. So that's 4 parts for the car. 2 parts you guys can't know, and I got my front mount and my springs. So this car's about to look so much different. It's about to feel so much different, and hope you guys like the video. Should get those parts installed soon, and yeah, should be it, guys. Peace.
Woo!